So I think we can all agree it's been a very long day in the network operations center side of things today, mostly because of new client onboarding. Agreed?
Hmm.
So this is the posting for ENS Corporate for the network operations center side today. And that is we worked with this company today. Wasn't that kind of fun? It was
Yeah.
the first time that they've actually seen the technology, and we had their sales rep actually working with the real-time remote control going, cool.
Yeah.
We taught them super fast, eh? That's pretty neat. So
Mhm.
you haven't seen pictures of what we were working on today, right? So let me put this in context. They're taking one of the devices that we're expert at building out, and they're attaching it to this. See this truck? See the folds? Got it? So this thing, you could drive it out to a location where it's got all these edges to it, folds. And then look at what happens when you start it up. It takes the sides and brings them together into one great big screen. These are pictures of a different one, so I'll get back to that. See what this thing is? It's a
Yeah.
portable billboard. It's huge. It all comes together, stitches together as one screen. So that's what you are working on today, gentlemen. From the Network Operations Center in General Santos City on the other side of the planet, you've been working for years on supporting digital sign rollouts, right?
Mhm.
A lot of them are pretty, you get used to them after a while. Agreed, Harvey?
Yep.
Like, okay, it's another digital sign. But when you see stuff like this, where they're integrating our solution in with these cool trucks that are manufactured in Las Vegas, that's just cool.
Yeah.
So we're going to post this today as what we did in the network operations center side of things at BNS today as just a cool day of working on this kind of install. So they're going to pack everything up, I think, here with our solution,
Mhm.
and we're going to be able to show this off at the next trade show in Las Vegas. That's the plan.